Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on developer option on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So as you can see, showing it to developer option. Okay, at first I'm turn off this. Okay, as you can see now not showing it to developer option. At first need to fix this. Open your settings, scroll down and you get about phone. Okay, scroll down, showing it to software information, showing it to build number. You just tap on a time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and showing it to allow developer settings. Press on to OK. Now successfully enable to developer mode. Go back, showing it to developer option. Okay, easily turn on from here and customize anything in here. That's it.